Samsung is all set to debut its Galaxy S25 series later today. We get to see the vanilla Galaxy S25, the dark blue S25 Plus, and the titanium ice blue version of the S25 Ultra in the first time. This is another Samsung Galaxy S25 series live images. Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will feature in silver shadow, mint, ice blue, and navy. It is exported a 6.2-inch AMOLED LTPO display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The Galaxy S25 will be powered either by an Exynos chipset 2500 or the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, will be paired with 12GB of RAM, but storage options will still start at 128GB, just like last year. The Galaxy S25 is equipped with a triple camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies, it features a 10-megapixel front camera. The battery capacity is also likely to remain unchanged at 4000 mAh battery with 25W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.